Oh, this is not a very good idea at all. But I'm still doing it, so get used to it. So anyway, so now we're gonna do version 3 of the last VHS mowing sounds. So TV's I already turned up the TV all the way up to 100. So here's the tape we're gonna use today. My new copy of Edgeworld the Movie Night Type 2 VHS. This tape has the widescreen death and mowing sound at the end. 7th week of Night Type 2. Night Type 2. This is exclusive content right here. Last VHS mowing sound on an HD TV. This is exclusive content, I tell you. This is exclusive content, as Corbin Petty put it. This is exclusive content. What you are about to see is this warning. The following video contains craziness. So, yeah, guys, I might go crazy in this video. So, warning to headphone users, if you're watching this, if any of you guys are watching this, probably sensitive, please watch it. Please do not watch this with headphones. You will seriously die. So anyway, bye. See you later. Oh my god! That was totally awesome! Oh my god! Oh my Oh, that was totally nuts! That was totally nuts, wasn't it? That was so insane! Oh my god. I'm having so much fun right now. Anyway, bye.